This is number 30 Zonnekus Road, Morningstar in the Western Cape. The property is in a peaceful neighbourhood surrounded by equestrian estates. The earth size is approximately 1.3 hectares with a borehole on site. The main dwelling is 556 square meters with a large automated triple garage of 66 square meters. The superstructure is klinka brick, making it low maintenance and consists of an ensuite master bedroom with a large dressing room and jacuzzi. 3 ensuite bedrooms with built-in cupboards, a 4th bedroom, a large open-plan living and dining area with a fireplace, TV lounge with a fireplace and projector, open-plan kitchen, separate scullery and pantry, all with high-quality finishes and fittings, indoor bar and entertainment area, children's TV room, laundry, indoor bird aviary, outdoor entertainment area and swimming pool, and an upstairs office with a separate entrance. The remainder of the property consists of a large double-volume workshop, 3 cottages, outdoor horse paddocks and a small stable. The premises are protected by electric fencing and an integrated alarm system. Situated in the Cape Farms, Morningstar is off the N7 motorway and is under 30 minutes drive from Cape Town CBD. Located on the west coast, it is close to Melkbosstrand, popular for its beach and seaside restaurants. Durbanville, boasting several fine wine farms and restaurants, is 10 kilometers away and offers a wide selection of entertainment and leisure experiences. Morningstar is an activity-filled area consisting of equestrian centers, nature trails, and a paintball range. Zonnekus Holiday Resort is close by and the Ostrich Ranch and Zone 7 motocross track are across the way. There are several residential homes in the area, most consisting of equestrian estates, large trees and farms. This property will be auctioned off on Wednesday the 12th of September at Summer Place in Hyde Park at 12 noon. Further information can be found on highstreetauctions.com.